Welcome back to the channel. I'll be very honest, this video is a bit different from the videos that I've been doing recently. And this video is addressed towards Zomato, Swiggy, Uber Eats, DoorDash, and any other food delivery or grocery delivery platform that has been doing business in India or anywhere around the world. Right. So, the major issue that has been raised for these delivery platforms, be it Zomato, be it Swiggy, has been the pay grade or the pay that has been given to the riders, right? Now, I think it makes perfect sense for Zomato or Swiggy to not pay their riders the best they can because it's a gig job. You want to do it today, be my guest. You don't want to do it today, be my guest. You have the option to go in and out of the job, and it helps a lot of people to pay their bills, to pay their tuition fees, pay their college fees, and take care of the family. Perfect sense. I'm not debating that. That's not my place to debate. Where I come in is, or where my whole idea comes in is, let's say it's 9 p.m. I place an order on Zomato, right? Zomato looks around for a delivery partner and there is no delivery partner around in the area or in the restaurant's area, right? Now, what usually happens is Zomato will reach out to a delivery partner that's a few kilometers away from the restaurant, right? Now, as a result, the delivery partner has to drive all the way from 4 kilometers to the restaurant and then my home. It's a big task for the delivery partner as well, and it often leads to a pay structure which leads the rider unhappy because he's not compensated well enough, right? Or maybe he's compensated well enough but Zomato is taking a loss. Either way, one or the other party is not happy, right? Now let's say I place an order and there's a Swiggy partner nearby. He's 500 meters away from my restaurant. He can get the delivery picked up in 5 minutes or even less, get it delivered to my address and be done with it. Now, why can't this happen is because Zomato and Swiggy, they are in a competition for the same customer, and as a result, they can't share riders. Now, what I'm asking both the companies to do is build a platform. Let's call it Rider Pay, RIDERPAY or PE, up to you. And the whole idea of this platform is to auction off the jobs that you are giving to the rider. Let me explain. Let's say when you shop online, you see a lot of Google shopping ads, right? You can see X product is priced for 10,000 here and 12,000 here and 13,000 here. It's an open market. You have the choice to pick the place which has the lowest asking price and you can buy it from there. Authenticity, delivery, logistics, that's a different factor. Let's not get into that, right? You can do that. That's how shopping ads work. What I'm saying is, let's make an app where, suppose I am the rider. I open the app, I see all the jobs that are available to me. Let's say there's a job for Zomato. Let's say there's a job for Swiggy. There's a job for X platform. Let's say Uber Eats. Let's say there's a job for DoorDash. Now, a rider has an option to pick from 4 jobs, be it Zomato, be it Swiggy, be it DoorDash, be it Uber Eats, right? Now, ideally, what you and I would want is that the rider picks the job which pays the highest. That's how it should be. Now, Zomato or Swiggy might ask me this, how does it help us? Very simple. You are getting a rider near or nearest to the restaurant on the same pay structure, if not more, if not less. Your orders are getting delivered much faster than earlier, where your rider has to come from 3 or 4 kilometers, which is usually the case for late night deliveries, right? And now the rider is fairly compensated because you as a company are competing with other companies, 3 or 4 companies for the same rider, basically making it a bidding auction for a rider job. Now, yes, you will give me some backlash on the same. Why will I pay more to the job that I'm getting done on a lower pay? Perfect sense, perfect question asked. First thing, It helps you to get the job done faster. You as a company have more riders available to you at any time during the day. Your delivery partner network expands 2x or 3x, right? And you can set up a particular agency which is regulated by the government or even a private party that is taking care of the drivers in general. It takes care of a lot of headaches for you. Now, when we get this into action, I'm sure there will be a lot of problems when we are practicing this and not just talking about this in theory. But this realistically allows a rider to see 4 jobs. He has 4x the probability of getting a job, and even if he skips one, he will not sit idle. A rider will not sit idle in this whole scheme of things. He will always have a job, be it from Swiggy, be it from Zomato, right? The rider gets paid enough. He can work 8 hours non-stop. He doesn't have to wait for a new ride. You can bring in Blinkit and Zepto into this as well. This allows the rider to work 8 hours consistently, and this also allows you to bring in more riders on your platform, pay them, get the job done, and take in more deliveries and get rid of the whole problem of enrolling or hiring more riders for your job, for your company. I hope that makes sense. Right now, a lot of you might ask me this question: if you think this idea is so genius, why don't you practice it yourself? Good question. Let me answer this. The whole scheme can't be done without Zomato, Swiggy, and other platforms saying yes to it, right? It does require some politics to be done on both ends of the scheme. Maybe a government body needs to be involved in this. I'm ready to be a part of this. I'm open to this. Or if there's any other developer or any other person who feels like this space can work better if we make such changes, it's open to all. The whole idea of this video being, there is a way where the riders can win, and there's also a way where the companies can win. I'm giving you a solution where both the parties can win at the same time. Now it's up to the companies to practice it or not. I'm telling you, this genuinely solves a lot of problems which I can't even think of right now. But 3 a.m. mother staring at a wall can think of a lot of these problems, and I think this is a good solution for all of these problems. Right? It improves the efficiency of the rider while delivering the order in the fastest possible manner. Right? And it also allows him to get paid more, also allowing you as a company to deliver the order in the shortest time possible. I think it's solving 2 problems at the same time, and it makes a lot of sense for all of these companies to come together, especially in a country like India where there have been a lot of debates on the same. I hope that makes sense to you.